When it comes to the technical production side of event organisation and outfitting spaces that will be used by a large audience, one element you can't do without are the LED screens that will convey your message and show your content. Thanks to the high number of pixels on an LED screen, content can be shown with very high quality. They can also be a key asset with which to impact your audience, as they consistently hold audience members' attention as part of their audiovisual experience. The possibilities are endless. It only depends on your imagination. In this video, you will learn 7 tips to get the most out of LED screens at your events. Let's start. Having LED screens at events can be very useful, and yet many customers are still unaware of the possibilities that come with this technological resource to increase engagement at their events. We'd like to share some of the scenarios we frequently encounter when installing LED screens at events. 1. Study the technical possibilities. When it comes to getting the most from LED screens, it's important to know what you can and can't do. In this case, there is practically no limit to the options. You can project any type of audiovisual content, graphic creativity and presentation in PowerPoint or Keynote. With the right technical configuration, you can even interact with this content. The possibilities are vast, and it's likely that any idea you have can somehow be materialized for your event. So ask your AV partner about all the many possibilities LED screens can bring to your event. Let your imagination soar. Envision the message you want to convey in the most impactful way possible. 2. Decide where to place the LED screens at your event. It is indispensable to define, depending on the space and position of the audience, the design, shape and size of the LED screen or screens at your event. You want to achieve perfect visibility of the content from any angle of the space in which you are organising your event. To achieve that goal, we suggest you optimise your design with a quality audiovisual partner. Make sure your AV partner has a department specialised in this area. Ask them to use plans or renders to show you how the LED screens will look once set up at the event. This step will save you time and money. It will also help you understand the technical quote more easily. You can make better decisions if you envision design from its earliest stage. Even having 3D rendering and interactive virtual reality applications will help you share collaborative communication throughout the process. If you want to learn more about rendering and what does virtual reality bring to events, watch this video. 3. Know the system configuration. Once the equipment has been defined, as well as the graphic and video content, we determine how to configure the system that will power the LED screens at your event. Configurations vary and can be as simple as a computer that sends a video signal to a single screen, or as complex as the use of high-performance video switches and multimedia servers. In any event, it is important to heed the advice of an expert AV partner to find the best technical solution adapted to your event and achieve the desired impact. 4. Know your content format. The time has come to create content. Content format will be determined by the size of the LED screens you're going to use at your event. It's not the same to use a simple Apple Keynote or Microsoft PowerPoint presentation in standard 16:9 format as it is to show a large format presentation or content with elaborate graphics and animation. These require technical infrastructure and, therefore, a more thorough prior study. Remember the specific characteristics of your event and the content you want to show. Discuss your ideas with your AV partner from the very beginning. Let the professionals guide you through preparing, optimizing, and ensuring that all parameters have been considered to get outstanding results. 5. Plan ahead to send materials and content. It's been said time and time again, when it comes to organizing any act, planning ahead is key for everything to flow and the event to be a success. Stay ahead and keep the communication fluid with your AV partner. Plan out the creation of contents so you'll have enough time before the event to run all the necessary tests. 6. Assign professionals to create your content. Regardless of the content you need to create for your event and the number of speakers who are going to take part, we recommend you let professionals complete the task. This way, you'll ensure that the content created for your event is aligned with the technical specifications your technical provider has given you, and that everything adheres to a common theme for your company or organization. 7. Be ready for last-minute changes. Having contingency plans in case of any failure is essential to ensure your brand reputation. Before the day of the event, we recommend you plan for at least 1 day of technical run-throughs in addition to running dress rehearsals with guest speakers. This way, you can detect any necessary changes and ensure that all of the content has been prepared according to design and plan. Perfect technical execution of your event will make all the difference. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on any essential content on the technical production and organisation of virtual, hybrid and face-to-face events. Thanks for watching, and until next time.